Hey guys, it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. I usually do all kinds of products unboxing and review. So in case you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. So this one is Music Aurora projector lamp. So let's open it and see how it works. Okay. So you can find all this information in this usual manual, and this is the packaging, and it's USB Type-C. Here is the remote. And this is this lamp. Okay. Yeah. All the buttons, and here the USB Type-C for the charging port, USB charging port here, and yeah, this is the visual. In the back side there is the speaker. Okay, so let's see how it works. We'll see how it this is
Bluetooth mode.
Yeah. I'm just turning on the Bluetooth, and I can see the Bluetooth on your phone. Oh wow. Yeah, I can show you.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay. So for this, here you can change the white noise. So these are the inbuilt white noise. You can change it. Yeah, you can change the white noise on this. Yeah, I really like the white noises because these are really natural, and I really like it. Or you can set the timer, right? 1 hour or 2 hour. And this one is you can increase the brightness and you can decrease.